Hello everyone, I want to show you another trade, another report. As they say, this is not financial advice. We warn you right away. So we look at the transaction itself, the profit in USDT, and I will increase the interest itself on the exchange. That means the percentages in USDT, what key I use, the margin. This is such profit. To get such deals, you need to resort to some instruments. There is no way without it. Well, of course, preferably your own skills and some tools. Well, I personally use ours too. The development of intellect city index inside. This is where there are many indicators in one. And what it does, it indexes all the top indicators that exist the most. Classic stock, they are now in the crypto segment, and it indexes all the indicators and takes their percentages and gives it out as an average of all the indicators that exist. In fact, it is very interesting. It turns out to be a good tetrahedron. I mean, what it does, it takes when 100% is overbought, 1% is oversold. So we roughly understand where we should sell, where we should buy. It's really simple and easy. When it reaches 1%, you need to buy. When it hits 100%, you need to sell. In principle, nothing complicated. Here I show what kind of deal comes out with this particular indicator. What else can I say? In reality, all indicators are what? Hard. They're hard to deal with and difficult. So I'm not saying this indicator completely guarantees 100% guarantee, but it has a good specificity. And most likely it is the most recommended R indicator, which is kind of worth recommending. You can make good money on this kind of deal. This is one deal out of 5 that I'll show later. The following other deals, they're also in the black. And the indicator itself is good because it provides interesting, entries, exits from the deal itself. Well, just really to it's user friendly. You can understand it without any complicated stuff, you see? What I mean is it's pretty straightforward. Like if it's about 1%, that's when you should look for an entry point. If it's getting close to 100%, that means the asset is overheated. You need to go short or sell depending on the time frame you choose, like be it 2 hour, weekly, or ideally as recommended from all the time frames it's 2 hour, or on the 15-minute if you can't wait. So depending on what strategy you prefer. Some people like quarter hour, 4 hour, hourly, and so on, and similar. Like personally, I use the 2 hour and daily. Although I used to trade on the 15-minute, so different minute time frames, it varies. It's pretty interesting. The entries, of course, are not always on point, not always, but supposed to say you're trading, add this indicator to this. It turns out very interesting. It shows all top indicators, stochastic, accelerator, Williams, rank, MF, Japan trade, where all the averages are taken, where all the parameters are taken, calculate the average number. That is, it doesn't count on one indicator, it accounts for all the indicators that are available. It results in good trades. I'm telling you this so that you can see how interesting all of this is. You know, it's really quite interesting. I'll tell you this. Well, it depends on who has what leverage, which margin. That is, everything is done differently for everyone, you understand, right? Well, for now, this is how the deal's going. For now, that's it. I mean, I think it's a great deal.